Don't think I need to introduce myself, but I'm Robert Taylor from Island Shipper. And today I want to discuss with you a very, very important topic. And that's the myth that the customs duty for electronic items imported into Jamaica is high. We Jamaicans, we get scared when we think about importing our laptops, smartphones, or tablets. We think that the customs duty are massive. But today, guys, I'm not just going to tell you, I'm going to show you by logging on to the Jamaica Customs website that these charges aren't so high. So perhaps you want to get something for your child, you can go ahead and get them. And guys, when you ship your items with us, these electronic items are going to ship for free. We are waiving the shipping cost for any electronic items that you import into the country. And guys, for those of you who have signed up with us and have not yet shipped, remember, you're going to get your first package delivered for free. I want you to stay tuned. Let's go check out that video. Have you ever been on the internet looking around at laptops and seeing these nice prices and saying, wow, I would love to buy this. But when you think about the customs duty that you have to pay, you change your mind? Well, a couple months ago, I believe that the customs duty on laptops was 90 to 95%. So I was saying that if I bought this laptop and ship it from the US to Jamaica, I would probably end up paying like 400 and something US dollars for it. But guys, that is not true. They're shipping laptops, smartphones and tablets for free. And then they said that the payable duty is 25 to 30%. So this is Jamaica Customs website. If you go to this here, Asikuda World, click here, right? It brings up this page. At the top of this page, you go to duty calculator, right? And then you click on this link. I'm going to open it up in another tab. So I click on this link. And it told me that I just need to enter the URL of the product that I'm trying to buy. So I went here and I copied this, the link to the laptop. I pasted it here. I didn't put an insurance. Since the company said that I was going to get free shipping, I didn't put any shipping, and I just want one laptop, right? And I just leave here blank. And I click calculate. Look what happened, guys. The site goes out. This is Jamaica Customs website, and it goes out. It found out that I am trying to buy this laptop. It tells me the price in Jamaican. So this is Jamaican price. Here on the website, this is here. So I guess they're using a rate of about $140, $141. This is the price in Jamaican. This is the customs administrative fee. This is the levy, environmental levy, whatever that is. This is the GCT. This is the stamp duty. That is what they charge. Look, this is the entire customs duty right here. So it's only $9,243.34. That is the customs duty. Everybody used to tell me that this is 90 to 95%. It is lie. This is the customs duty. This is the Jamaica Customs website I'm using. Look, when they add this to this, right? They add this to this here. This is the total I'm going to pay to get this laptop here in Jamaica. $49,489.50. Let me see how much percentage this is. I wonder if I can remember the maths. Let me see. Let's see how much percentage duty you really pay on a laptop. Why people are growing and tell lie? Alright, so if I put this in here and I divide it by this here, the cost of the item. Right, paste that there. I have the divider already, so paste that there. That, and then I multiply this by 100 to get the percentage. Look, it's only 24. If you want to call it 25, it's 25% customs duty you pay for a laptop. So as I said, this website here, and look, I'm not paying any shipping because I shipped it with them, Island Shipper. That I could have buy the laptop long time instead of just look upon them and I drool. Or I wait for somebody come down. Can I buy my laptop now for myself and not to depend on people to bring it down? See, it's less than 10 grand duty I pay. Ha! Alright.